Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be making this electrical box cover which is on screen. Hope you enjoy the video, let's get building.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it as well. Please leave a like, share and subscribe. Also, comment down below on what you think I should build next. The measurements for this build will be down in the description if you want to build it yourself. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next build.